Have you ever felt like you're not that smart? Everyone around you just gets it faster than you do? What if I told you you might actually have a higher IQ than you think, but your brain just hides it in plain sight? Stick with me until the end, because these 10 subtle signs reveal whether your intelligence is operating on a level most people never recognize. And number 10, it's the one most geniuses share. Let's get into it. 1. You talk to yourself. Sounds weird, right? Studies from the University of Wisconsin found that people who verbalize their thoughts process information faster and retain it longer. When you talk to yourself, you're literally coaching your own brain through complex reasoning. Einstein did it, so if you catch yourself mumbling through problems, congratulations. 2. You overthink everything. You replay conversations, question decisions, and imagine 50 different outcomes. That's not anxiety, it's analysis. Neuroscientists call this metacognition, the ability to think about your own thinking. 3. You get bored easily. If you can't stand repetitive routines, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your dopamine system craves novelty. Highly intelligent people have a faster reward prediction system. They get less dopamine from simple tasks, so their brain searches for more complex challenges. 4. You doubt yourself constantly. You've heard of the Dunning-Kruger effect. It shows that the less someone knows, the more confident they are. Meanwhile, the more someone does know, the more aware they become of what they don't. So if you often question your abilities, you actually understand far more than you think. 5. You stay up late. Research from the London School of Economics found that people who prefer staying up late tend to score higher on intelligence tests. Why? Because creative insights often emerge when distractions fade and your brain can finally wander. 6. You're sensitive to noise. Ever get annoyed by ticking clocks, loud breathing, or small background sounds that no one else seems to notice? That's not oversensitivity, it's heightened sensory processing. Your brain absorbs more data from the environment than average, which helps you detect patterns faster. But it can also lead to overstimulation. 7. You procrastinate. Psychologists at the University of Calgary discovered that many high IQ individuals use active procrastination. Your brain doesn't like busy work. It waits until something matters before going all in. That's why you often perform your best at the last minute. 8. You remember random details no one else does. The exact date something happened, a tiny fact from a documentary, or a random word someone said years ago. That's your working memory flexing. It's why you might struggle to recall where you put your keys, but you can quote a movie from 2008 without trying. 9. You feel emotions deeply. This one surprises people. That means your ability to feel deeply, empathize, and understand others isn't weakness, it's neural sophistication. Smart people don't just think deeply, they feel deeply too. 10. You never stop learning. Here's the ultimate sign, and it's the one geniuses share across history. They read, ask questions, and seek better answers even when they already know enough. So if you're watching this right now, trying to understand yourself better, guess what? That alone puts you in the top tier of intelligent minds. The takeaway: being smart isn't about grades, test scores, or how fast you can solve equations. It's about awareness, adaptability, curiosity, and depth of thought. So the next time someone calls you too sensitive, too quiet, or too lost in your head, smile, because that's what intelligence looks like if